Okay guys, so we have all of this stuff from Trader Joe's. It's crazy. So I'm gonna show you guys everything we got. So it's a lot, so let's get started. So the first thing are these blue corn tortilla chips. I love blue corn tortilla chips. They taste so good. They taste so much better to me than regular corn tortilla chips. So that's these. So we also have our nephews coming to visit this week. So I bought some simple breakfast stuff like these mini blueberry muffins. They're so cute. They're so tiny. We got Daryl's favorite buffalo jerky they have there. He loves this. Every time we go there, he gets like 2 or 3. He's pretty addicted. He says they're really, really good. So these green chilies are so good. I buy like 2 or 3 every time we go. I love putting these in omelets or when I make tacos or enchiladas, stuff like that. So good. I got 1 avocado because avocado is the best. Also got 1 lemon. Then we got, this is Daryl's because I hate sweet potatoes. The next thing I got were these Dutch yellow baby potatoes. The next thing I got, I've never tried this one before. I normally get the regular one, but this is the organic stock, the chicken organic stock. Honestly guys, I just like the branding. The branding looked really cool. So I wanted to try this one out because I do love using this for soups or when I make chicken, it just makes it more flavorful. I also tried this water out. I've been hearing about this water. This alkaline water is supposed to be a lot better for you, so I wanted to try it out. And it tastes pretty good actually. The next thing I got were these potato chips. They're kettle cooked chips. I really love chips, so I'm trying to not eat as much, but I do like kettle corn chips. I'm sorry, kettle potato chips because they are healthier. So this is my first time trying these. And then I got this white cheddar popcorn because like I said, the nephews are coming, so I wanted to get snacks for them. So supposedly I hear this one's really, really good, so I'm excited to try this too. Then we got this big wheat powder. Is this wheat or is it whey?
Whey.
Oh, whey. Okay.
Whey, is it? Damn, I don't know.
Whatever. It's some protein powder that Daryl got. We're gonna start drinking this. So Daryl heard a lot of great things about this particular brand. So this one was at Trader Joe's as well, and I believe it was $27.99 for this big bottle. It's huge. So we're excited to try this out. The next thing I got was this little mini watermelon. I believe, yeah, it's seedless, so I was so excited because I've been wanting to have some watermelon. I mean, it's super small, so it's like perfect size. Okay, next bag. I got some of the sea salt right here. We also got some organic eggs. We also got some grapes. I love the red grapes. And of course strawberries, because strawberries are my favorites. We also got this strawberry preserves. Next, Daryl got this Ezekiel 4-9 cinnamon raisin bread. He loves raisin bread, so I think this one will be perfect for him. We got some more of that buffalo jerky. Here we got some of these garlic potatoes. These are really good, guys. I love eating these. We also got some of this fettuccine alfredo. We're getting some more frozen stuff that's not the healthiest, but it's very, very convenient, and it's better than eating out for sure. So we got like 3 of these because I love adding shrimp to this or chicken. It's delicious. Also, guys, a little trick, add some brown sugar to this. It tastes so good. I got some of these turkey corn dogs for my little nephews coming over. Well, more so for the baby nephew because he's 10. I don't really think my older nephew who's 18 will be eating these, but we'll see. So I got 2 of these. Daryl got this Korean style beef short ribs. Look pretty good. Got some of this roasted corn. They have delicious roasted corn there, guys. It is so good. And then in here is more fettuccine alfredo. And then I got this raw cane sugar. I've been wanting to try this out because we go to First Watch a lot and they always use this sugar and it's so good and it's so much healthier for you. Next, I got some of these savory thin crackers. I got some of this oil, olive oil spray. This is like the best one. I got 2 of my favorite taco mixes. If you guys have not tried this taco mix for your tacos, you guys are missing out. It is so good. There you go. It's so good. Don't use all of it because it's very spicy. I did that mistake when I first tried it and I put the whole thing, and don't do that. I definitely recommend using this very, I'd say like using half of it per 1 pound. So next, just got some red chili peppers. I love putting that in everything. Also got some black beans. Got 2 of these. And then I wanted to try these. I have a really big sweet tooth. I never tried macarons before, so I was like, I'm gonna try these out. They look delicious, so I got these. Also just got some deli meat for sandwiches. Got some good old pepper. These by far are the best tamales you'll ever have in life. So my dad tried these out, and we're from the valley down south Texas where we know Mexican food, and my dad tried these and he said they were the best tamales he's ever had, which is huge because my parents are very picky about their Mexican food. So for my dad to love these, it's the real deal, Holyfield. I love these. I bought like 3 or 4 of these because I eat these for lunch all the time. And then Daryl got some organic oats, old-fashioned oats, because he loves oatmeal. I don't, but he loves it. And then I just got some pizza for the nephews because pizza's always a good thing to get. The next thing I got were some of these sea salt brownie bits. Like I said, I have a sweet tooth and I just wanted to have something on hand also for my nephews to snack on as well. And then we got some of these brown sugar and cinnamon butter spread, and this is roasted garlic and herb butter spread. This is the first time I've seen these. I'm pretty sure they're new because we hadn't seen this before. There you go. So they're just these little containers with butter spread, and this is gonna be Daryl's because Daryl loves brown sugar and cinnamon. And this roasted garlic and herb, they were using this with some roasted corn. It tasted so good, so I bought it because it was really good. Next, got some of these shrimp. They're the Argentinian shrimp. These are so good, guys. These are my favorite shrimp. You can just tell automatically how different they taste. They're a bit more expensive. These are $9.99, but they're so good. Next, we got some just grilled chicken. This is frozen. This is perfect for some salads. Like I said earlier, I like getting this and throwing it in some chicken Alfredo or some fettuccine Alfredo and making it, and it'll be chicken Alfredo. So this is perfect for that. Got some more of these potatoes, and then also got 2 of these just chicken. This is good for like I said, sandwiches, stuff like that. Getting this is just easier than having to make all the chicken. It just ends up being way more convenient. Then I got some of this caramelized onion dip. One of my friends told me this is really, really good, and I've been wanting to try it, so I decided to buy it finally. And then I got some salsa, double roasted salsa. I've never tried this one before, but it looked really good. And this is the one that we always get, is a salsa autentico or authentica. So good. Okay, so the last bag, we got some green beans, good old green beans. We got some more bread. This is the sprouted whole grain Ezekiel 4-9 bread. We got some more green chilies. Daryl got some organic brown sugar. We got some spinach and some lettuce. And then we got some almond milk, non-dairy, which is good for me because I'm pretty sure I'm lactose, I just don't want to admit it. And then we also got some chocolate milk because my nephew Noah loves the chocolate milk, so I decided to try this. Maybe he'll like it. But yeah. And this is definitely brand new because we've never seen this. They now have sweet tea, so we decided to try this out. The last things we got were flowers. We bought a bunch of flowers. I love decorating with flowers. Sometimes I'm more so drawn to faux flowers because they're easier to take care of, obviously. But I found all these flowers. They're so pretty and they're so affordable at Trader Joe's. So that's what we got.